Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to talk about the Altec HYDRAMINI 2.0. This thing, it is tiny, but it's mighty. Dude, I can't believe how powerful this thing is just judging by the size. It is, as you can see, super compact. It is well rugged everywhere. It has this really nice kind of like cover everywhere. It comes equipped with a few things that I do like. I mean, besides this really nice package over here, so it could be a fantastic gift. But it comes with a few things that I think it makes it to be a really nice outdoor one, like outdoor and a sporty one as well. So for example, you have this one over here, you have this clip, meaning that this one's gonna be resistant to everything because it's really well rugged and it's really well protected. Also, it's IP67, meaning that it's gonna be 100% waterproof, which I think it's another really good thing. And the USB-C, who has quick charging USB-C, it is protected right here with the silicone, so it won't get water inside or water won't get inside. It also comes with something that I've seen in not any other speaker. This right here, it has a mount, so you can actually use the mount that comes with the package or mount it to a tripod, a car holder, a bike holder. If you're on a motorcycle or something like that, or a bicycle, you can actually mount it with this screw over here with this socket. But then it is really easy to pair with just a click of a Bluetooth button over here, and I have it connected with my phone. I can't play any music because the platform doesn't like for me to play music, and it may like mute my video or something. But I'm gonna just put my microphone over here, and I have an audio that I did before. I'm gonna actually start in low volume, and let's actually do it. And I'm controlling with this buttons over here. I'm controlling the volume on my phone. So play right here. This is a sound test for the Altec HYDRAMINI, which is super tiny but mighty. It is a super nice speaker that I do recommend. Its sound quality, it is super nice just for the size it has. And for sure, it's going to give you a really good and fun time bringing it over to friends, family, houses, party, just on the go, on the trip or whatever. This thing is awesome. It is. It actually is awesome. You want to see the last thing that makes it to be a really good speaker for outdoors? It has a magnet. This thing right here, it has a magnet, meaning that if you are, I don't know, let's say that if you are golfing, I like to golf, so I can put this one in the golf cart, and that's it. It is really, really good. I have to say that I'm entirely surprised about this Altec HYDRAMINI 2.0. Tiny, but mighty, and good quality, which is the most important thing.